Customer Services Manager Tony Samuels has transformed a disused platform into a veritable oasis, growing everything from tomatoes and chilies through to guavas and pomegranates. He gives away his crop to staff and customers and has even come out top in Transport for London's annual gardening competition in Bloom.
So you've won the Fruit and Vegetable Award?
Yes, I sure have. I've actually won the competition last year. Modern got first place, Good Street second place. The year before, Good Street got first place, Modern second place.
Oh. So there's a real rivalry here, right, about who's going to win the competition.
I would say so, yes.
Morden is open air, right?
Correct.
But Good Street is entirely underground.
Not necessarily. There's a roof area, and I must say, very attractive if you get to see it.
And what's your inspiration when you're doing this garden?
That I'm inspiring somebody else to do similar.